What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. Here are some extra ways to make money. Do the work people pay someone to do. There are so many different ways, guys. Take out the trash, pick up the dry cleaning, grocery shopping, mowing lawns, shoveling snow, moving furniture, helping people move house, giving people lifts, babysitting, coaching, teaching. The list goes on. Are you ready to grind? Are you willing to put in the work? Listen, guys, I don't know how many ways I just gave you, but I can easily give you 10, just off the top of my head. People love to complain. Here's the thing, people love to complain about they don't know how to make money, how do you make money, this and that about money. There are so many ways to make money. I just gave you some. I'll give you some again, like I just said. Take out the trash. Pick up someone's dry cleaning. Washing people's cars. Coaching, teaching. Mowing lawns, shoveling snow. Selling people's stuff for them. Helping people move. Moving furniture. That's 10 already. And there's a load more. Honestly, it's pretty simple. There are enough jobs around. Run errands for people, walk people's pets. People pay people to do these things. People pay people to give them a ride somewhere. Yes, that's called Uber. But you don't have to just do Ubers. There's taxis, there's people who give you cash to drive people somewhere. People pay others to mow their lawns, to shovel snow off their driveways. Yes, they really do. People pay people to babysit. Do your own thing while staying with someone's kids at home. You can get paid to do that. You can get paid to walk outside. Literally just walk. Just take someone's dog, go walk 5 miles. I don't know. It's not that difficult, people. But like I said, people love to complain. But it's up to us individually. It's up to me, for myself. Am I able to grind? Are you able to grind? Ask yourself that. People need websites created. Oh, I don't know how to make websites. Okay, find something else. Either you find a way to make a website, or you find something else which is going to give you money. Wash cars. I don't know how to do it. Learn how to do it. Takes you 10 minutes to learn. Wash a few cars per day. You're set. Easy. Pay people to do things that they need done. Get paid to do those things. The same way you pay other people to pick up your groceries if you're too lazy, people will pay you to pick up their groceries if they're too lazy. Deliver food. You guys get what I'm getting to. There are loads of different apps. Grubhub, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Lyft, Instashopper, Instacart. So many different ways, people. Like, it's up to us, honestly. I mean, join my affiliate marketing program. Sell watches for me. Go and check out timegatewatches.com. It's in the description below. People make money off me making money without doing a thing. Do the same. Find things to sell. If I have a microphone which is worth $180, go and find that microphone online. Become an affiliate for it on Amazon. Sell it. Put a link in, different places, different websites you've got, blogs you've got. Make money off it. I give you guys so many extra ways to make money today. And I've given you more on my channel, throughout various videos. So check those out as well if you've not seen them already. You guys get the point. There are just so many ways to make money, so many simple ways. Honestly, shoveling someone's drive, mowing someone's lawn, how simple is that? Sounds simple. Why don't they do it? No, you should do it. Take the money and you do it. Running errands, you need to do it. Honestly, it's worth it, guys. Check out other videos, like I said, on this channel. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Be here for tomorrow's video. I've got money to make, and see you tomorrow for another video. Peace.